BMW reported its expectations on another competition package for the 600-pull M5 last September. At the time, Motor One revealed that a BMW UK official stated, "The competition package will bring changed flow, and likely standard earthenware brakes, which are a $10,000 choice on the standard auto." BimmerPost discussion part Esquire simply discovered that the additional super vehicle will go into creation in April at BMW's Dingolfing plant, and that it will be tuned to deliver 25 more pull. A 625-horsepower M5 competition will run 22 stallions in front of the Mercedes-AMG E63s. What? Did you say drive war? As per Esquire, the chatter came civility of the leader of the BMW driving experience while in participation at the current BMW M-ICE experience in Sweden. What's not shocking about Esquire's disclosure is that BMW's starting a higher tune so near the uncover of the standard car. Straight to the point, Van Meel told Road and Track Finally Year's LA Automobile Fair that a M5 competition was nearer than you'd might suspect. What is astonishing is the UK official's remark about the carbon brakes. The competition packages have ordinarily included somewhat more torque and a firmer suspension, new wheels, and other little frame and restorative changes. The last competition package on the last-gen M5 collected a $10,000 additional charge over the passage vehicle. In the event that the carbon brakes come standard on the new comp alternative and can't be erased, purchasers could be gazing intently at a substantially heftier levy to remain on the subsequent stage of M-Mountain. The majority of the exchange string about the news on BimmerPost, indeed, was Mark fans saying a possibly enormous choice cost conflicted with the soul of the competition package. We should know more in March, when the super sharp M5 is relied upon to make a big appearance at the Geneva Motor Show. Also, from that point forward, we'll likely observe the competition package stretched out to BMW SUVs like the X5M, and maybe even the X3M.